Hello everyone, Ray Waldo here, the Bishop of Technology, and today we're going to do a backup. We have already rooted this device, and it says press the power button, and then we select the recovery. There we go, recovery at the bottom. We've already rooted this device and set up the fire and the Team Win recovery project. So we have Team Win recovery, and it should come up here in a moment and allow us to make a backup. Okay, so there's Team Win, and so what we want to do here is go to backup, and we pretty much can take all the standard stuff. We should probably enable compression. It'll take a little bit longer, but it will not be as large as a file, and then just swipe and it starts making a backup. And this will back up the current version of whatever you have. It'll back up all of the system, the ROM, the data, your settings. Everything will be backed up so that when you get ready to change to another ROM or whatever, or something gets confused, you can and you decide you want to go back to where you were, you can come back to this setup and restore it, this backup, and restore it, and it will take you exactly where you are, except for whatever needs to be synced in your accounts. Like Google Mail won't show your old mail, it'll show the current status of your mail, because everything keeps updated all the time. So once it's through, it's showing a little progress bar down here at the bottom. See, there's a little bit of a blue there. So it's taking a while. It takes a while to do a backup. But once it's through with that backup, then we're going to copy that file over to the computer to make sure that we have a copy on the computer, because something might happen to this device and we might lose it. If in that case we can still, even another device, we should be able to restore this backup to another device. I'm not positive, I've never tried that, but theoretically it probably would work. So we're about halfway, or a little over halfway through it, according to the marker there, but sometimes it jumps, so we'll give it just a moment more here, and we should be ready to copy the file over. Okay, raywaldo.com, all the information on how to do all this stuff, step-by-step guides, and what we try to do is find all the technology that you would like to do, and you might be a little bit fearful to try it. We try it, and we show you on video how to do it and how long it takes. We don't try to speed up the videos and make them fast. We want you to see how long it takes, because sometimes a problem arises from getting too anxious and moving too quickly and starting something that you need to not do. Okay, so there we're through. So we go back, and we use the back button here to go back, and then we want to go to mount. And so what we want to do is connect the USB connector to the device, and we want to mount USB. Okay, and Windows just saw it, and we want to mount it. Okay, there we go. And then over here on Windows, move in a little closer here for you. And this is my backup folder. So we want, we've already got that open. We want to go over here to Windows, to the computer, and here's our Kindle. So we click on that, and then we go to Team Win Recovery Project down here at the bottom. Let me move down a little bit so you can see it. Okay, click on that, and then inside of it is a folder called Backups. Inside it is one with a bunch of zeros, and there is our backup. So that's the one we want, so we can cut it, or actually just copy it. Copy, and we're going to move it over here to the backups, which already have some, and we'll just paste that in right here. And that gives us a good copy. It takes a moment for it to copy over, but when we do, we've got a copy on the computer that we can restore at any time. Okay? Now, what we can do is install a totally different ROM and try it out and see if we like it, and if we don't, we can go right back to where we were. All right? raywaldo.com, more information. Thanks. See you later. Bye.